All right, I wanted to make a quick video just to show you guys how, show you guys that you can work with your files and keep your workflow similar to the way it was before. So I'm just going to open up. This is the file that you guys sent me originally. It was the .plt file. That's the format that you sent it in. So I'm just going to go ahead and assume that's that's something that you guys use all the time. So, but I just opened it up as you sent it to me, and it came in no problem. And then, okay, so say you guys wanted to cut this out. This would be your file that you guys would already have. You just need to save it as a DXF, which is pretty straightforward. You'd only have to do this once, I think, if you wanted to reuse the file many times. Saving it in the same folder just so I know where to find it. And then, so the only thing you have to do is click save it as R14. It just makes it makes the CAM program and the next program makes it a little bit easier to work with. Okay, so I saved that as a DXF, and then I'm going to open DevFoam. That's the program. It's a new program for me, but it's a really good one. It has a lot of options for different ways of working with foam. So I think you're gonna find it really nice. You can also do tapered cuts, so you could do tapered columns and stuff like that. And that's basically where a column has two different profiles or different profile on each side of the foam block. So you could have a tapered column that has 12-inch top and a 15-inch bottom. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so we're going to go cut, and we're going to cut along a vector line. That's basically, we're just going to cut along a line, which is how your guys' programs were drawn. Oh shoot, okay, let's give me half a sec. I just got to find that that program there. Shouldn't be too hard though. Okay, there we go. All right, so this is the file that I just saved there. So I took your file, saved it as a DXF, and then I could just open it up. You guys could continue to work like that, or you could just save them as a DXF if you make a new drawing. Okay, so yeah, it came in great. Basically, when you're cutting along a vector line or just cutting along a line, you just want to see one piece, and that's perfect. Okay, and I zoom in here, and you can see the little direction arrows, and that looks right because when it's going to come and cut along. Yeah, that's right. It'll be coming up on the left side of the shape. So that's perfect. If it comes in a little bit different, you just have to uncheck this inverse sense button here, and then it'll change the way that it goes through. All right, so you just click the create cut path button, and then you would create G-code. You would just click that, but I don't have a license for this yet. I will shortly here. So I can't cut foam yet, but there's a 3D preview, so I can kind of show you how it goes through a block of foam. So this is just like a model of a block of foam, and that would be the representation of the wire. So you just hit play. This is kind of neat. You could check on your cuts before you actually cut it. Make sure it's going to go through the foam as expected. All right, that's looking perfect. It starts up at the bottom, then comes around the tops of the pieces. I'm just going to speed this up here. Okay, I'll slow this down so we can see. Okay, that's perfect. So it cuts out the top of the shapes. Then it came down the side and started the tops of the next row, so that's perfect. Yeah, that's super efficient how you guys cut out the whole block in one go. I think I'm going to start doing it like that. It's just, it makes a lot of sense when you have a lot of profiles to cut that are all the same. Just start your foam cutter and walk away. That's awesome. Yeah, so it's cutting out perfect. It cuts out the top row, comes along the bottom, just how you guys had it drawn out before. And there you go. That would, let's see here. Yeah, and then it cuts out the last piece and goes right back to the 0, 0 point. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna work out awesome for you guys. We'll be able to get you cutting out the full blocks, and you could use it looks like you're gonna be able to use your existing files no problem too, so you don't have to draw out all your files again, which is obviously really nice. And also you can continue using the CorelDraw as well, so that's perfect too. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you need to see anything else or have any more questions, please feel free to let me know, and we'll make sure we get that answered for you. Thank you very much.